In this video we're going to look at the Wildcat Deluxe motorcycle. And here is Wildcat with all the usual features of the PAW Patrol figurines in his cool motorcycle leathers. Wildcat for me has surely got one of the best vehicles. This bike's amazing. Look at the design features. The front wheel has this sort of claw-like feature on, probably to give it extra grip. And the rear wheel, look how wide that is. Super. Oh, and it does wheelies. Yes, Wildcat, you definitely have one of the best vehicles. Within the cockpit there's a clip, and as you can see, Wildcat sits in there quite securely. And in addition to the wheelie function, when you spring it back, whoosh! We have to do that again. And there it is, the Wildcat motorcycle.